Is the weather app not working on your iPhone, not showing any information, or giving you the wrong weather information? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several simple solutions you can try to get the weather app working properly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check location services. The first thing you should check is your location settings, because the weather app needs your location to provide accurate information. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap Privacy and Security. Now tap Location Services, and make sure Location Services is turned on. Scroll down until you find the weather app and tap on it. Make sure location access is allowed, and if available, select Always. Also, turn on Precise Location. If Location Services was already enabled, you can try turning it off, waiting a few seconds, and then turning it back on. Solution 2. Check Screen Time Restrictions. Next, let's make sure your iPhone isn't restricting changes to location or privacy settings. Go back to Settings, tap Screen Time, and then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is enabled, temporarily turn it off, and then check whether the weather app starts working correctly. Solution 3. Reinstall the Weather app. Another thing you can try is reinstalling the Weather app. Open Settings, tap General, and then select iPhone Storage. Find Weather in the list and tap on it. Now select Offload App, and then tap Reinstall App. This removes the app itself, while keeping its documents and data, and reinstalling it can help fix bugs or glitches. Solution 4. Update your iPhone. If the problem is still there, check for an iOS update. Go back to Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. If an update is available, install it and then check the Weather app again. Solution 5. Reset location and privacy. Finally, you can reset your location and privacy settings. Go to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset Location and Privacy. After doing this, open the Weather app again and allow the required permissions when prompted. And that's it. These solutions should help if the Weather app isn't working properly, isn't showing your location, or is displaying incorrect information. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.